per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Streeter, Pontiac, Marseilles, Flanagan, Welna, Tonica, Grand Ridge, Lawson, Cornell, Ransom, Rutland, Cedar Point, Kangley, Long Point, Dana, and Leonore. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 53. Interstate 55 between mile markers 196 and 201. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. It is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until midnight at 10:32 p.m. Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 19 nautical miles south of Winthrop Harbor to 6 nautical miles northwest of Montrose Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Montrose Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois until 11:15 p.m. At 10:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gilbert, or near Sleepy Hollow, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Thank you, Chicago. Thank you, Chicago, for issuing it.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Elgin around 10:45 p.m.
Yay, Kyle Moore, you're getting something. Or Lightning Bolt 99999.
St. Charles and East Dundee around 11:05 p.m. Geneva, Bartlett, and Wayne around 11:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:45 a.m. Wednesday.
That's for me, yay.
p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly.
First flash flood warning of the year for me, yay.
Chicago, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Glenview, Elmhurst, Lombard, Buffalo Grove, and Carroll Stream. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles